Kajingilam bakla ki arngot ki YouTuber, halor kajingkran UMLA ka resubel para ubalong ru sembot lampang yang dorbar tawan gejala Timothy Dishira. Ha ki yang dorbar ka barang yat ka dorbar mang tengka. Halor kamat bandra ke Winter Capital Chatura. Kalau penlong yang sembot lampang, bani ujor ke mokot doma persya ki arngot ki YouTuber ha ki yang cari. Halor kajingkan no bagi lapen sutuk bakla, halor ki jingong juu. Da kaba ki lapen sutuk bakla ha ka social media. Kini ki argut ki belasya ujor ki kentop ya kami kanci ar sangma na darang giri gol para distrik Jala Asam bad u balarang marak na thapa daranci North Garo Hills District. U Timothy Dishira uleto bulawan ban ujor ha ka defamation case bad ka criminal case persya kini ki argut ki ba uwe niki udai na constituency jung u ba ka waipat na Jala Asam. Uleto bagini ki argut ki balapan sapriang yang kubor haga YouTube channel halor kejingkran jung hagi yang dorbar halor kamat ban penlong ya ketura kom ganong ba telang jong kejela ulah kedau bagi klem sunguto ega jingkran jung rei kelas pensapriang baude ubriau uba persya ki kampen roy jong gejat benriu karo nagaliang nong yasadan nagaliang Timothy Dishira ule to bagi ladawa shispa aklor kom kabai menrang kemat nakini ki argot bela pensapriang ya ka kubor lamler
regarding my speech in the assembly with regard to the making Chura the winter capital. So there I think you have the record of my speech. So they said they don't understand what I have spoken. So without knowing the details and what I have spoken in the house, they have met flash in the YouTube that I am totally against my community. I am totally against the construction, the making Chura winter capital, and thereby, you see, he said he condemned me for not cooperating with the community. That name is Garo.
What is the today we have filed two different defamations. One is civil defamation and one is the criminal defamation. In a criminal defamation, we can prove our allegation, then they will be punished as per the criminal law. And we have also filed a defamation suit for claiming a damage of 100 crores from each of them. And this is because they have wrongly interpreted what my client, the Honorable Deputy Speaker, has spoken in the Assembly. Against that, they have made a video whereby certain allegation was made against of him.